Ever looked at your screen and thought, what if one smart move could change my income forever? Sounds crazy, right? But 2025 is the year that one small business model could literally rewrite how people make money online. And it's all powered by AI. Not hype. Not theory. Real, actionable steps that anyone can start. Even if you've never built a business before. So, what's this mysterious business everyone's sleeping on? And why is it the actual best AI business for 2025? That's exactly what you're about to discover. In the next few minutes, I'll break down what the business is, why it works, and how to start it, step by step. But before we jump in, watch till the end for the tool that made me $100. It's a small win, but it opened a massive door. And if you want to stay ahead of the AI curve, hit that subscribe button right now. Turn on the bell, so you never miss my drops. I post new AI money-making tools every week. Alright, let's begin. So, why 2025? Because we've hit a tipping point. AI isn't new anymore, but it's finally usable. Simple tools can now replace entire teams. You don't need code. You don't need a big budget. You just need the right idea plus execution. That's what this video is about. Here's the setup. Imagine a business that runs mostly on automation, where AI handles the work. You handle the strategy. Clients get results. And you keep scaling. That's the vision. But what kind of business can do that? The answer lies in the micro-niche model. Tiny audiences, huge potential. Let's call it AI Micro Biz 2025. Here's how it works. Step 1. Find a micro-niche. A small group of people with a very specific need. Step 2. Use AI to solve that need faster and cheaper. Step 3. Automate everything else. From content to customer service. That's the game changer. Let me make it real for you. Imagine you find businesses that need social media posts daily. They can't afford a full agency. You come in with AI tools. You offer done-for-you AI content, fast, cheap, consistent. Clients pay you monthly. AI does 80% of the work. You handle strategy and quality. Profit margin, massive. Effort, minimal. This is the future of small business. But wait, isn't the market already full? Nope. Because most people chase big niches. They compete with thousands. You're going to go smaller. More specific. More targeted. Example: AI content for pet brands. Or AI Reels for real estate agents. That's where the opportunity lives. Micro niches equals high trust plus low competition. So, how do you find yours? Simple trick. Look for frustration. Browse Reddit, Facebook groups, LinkedIn threads. Search what people complain about. That's your signal. Then ask, can AI fix this? If yes, you just found gold. Validate before building. Check if people already pay for it. Use Google Trends. Search volume. Even Fiverr gigs. See what sells. Then position your AI version as smarter plus faster. Once validated, build your MVP. MVP equals minimum viable product. Keep it simple. Don't build, launch. Speed beats perfection every time. Ready for the tools? Here's your starter stack. 1 AI tool for creation. 1 for design. 1 for automation. Creation: ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini. Design: Canva AI or Pika Labs. Automation: Zapier or Make. That's literally all you need. Combine them equals money machine. I used this exact setup. My result: first $100 sale in 24 hours. Wanna know how? Stay till the end, I'll show you the tool. Mid-video check-in, like this. Then hit subscribe so you don't miss the next drop. Alright, back to work. After your MVP is ready, build your outreach loop. Outreach equals traffic plus conversion. No traffic, no sales. Here's a simple way. Join 3 niche communities. Provide value for 5 days. Then share your offer on day 6. It's that easy. Use AI to personalize messages. Never sound spammy. Be helpful first, sell second. That's the formula. Once you close your first client, automate your delivery. Use AI templates. Save time. Systemize your workflow. That's how you scale. Don't chase 100 clients. Serve 10 well, then clone the system. That's how the top 1% do it. Now let's talk revenue. Average AI microservice sells $100 to $500 per month. 10 clients equals $1,000 to $5,000 per month. All part-time. All mostly automated. Tell me that's not insane. But it gets better. Once you have proof of concept, you can expand to more niches. Repurpose your AI system. And build multiple income streams. The compounding effect is real. Every new niche equals new audience. Same process. Same tools. New revenue. That's what makes AI businesses unstoppable. But let me remind you of one thing. AI doesn't replace humans. It replaces inefficiency. The human who knows how to use AI wins. You're not competing with robots. You're leveraging them. That's your edge. So here's your quick start checklist. Number 1. Pick your niche. Number 2. Validate the demand. Number 3. Set up your AI stack. Number 4. Launch your offer. Number 5. Automate and scale. Done. You're officially in business. The secret equals speed plus simplicity. Don't overthink. Build fast, learn fast, grow fast. That's how you win in 2025. Now, as promised, let's talk about the $100 tool. The tool that proved this works. It's called Prompt Wizard AI, a simple platform that generates custom content offers. I used it to create a one-page service in 30 minutes. Posted it to a Facebook group. Landed a $100 client the next day. That moment changed everything. Because I realized the system works. I is the engine. You are the driver. And the road ahead is wide open. So let me recap the core strategy. Find a problem you can solve with AI. Build a simple solution. Automate it. Deliver value fast. Reinvest your profits. Scale the system. That's the cycle. Anyone can do this. You just need commitment, consistency, and curiosity. The rest is clicks and prompts. So what's stopping you? Not knowledge, you have that now. Not money, these tools are cheap or free. The only thing missing is action. Start today. Don't wait for perfect. Just start. Build something simple. Test it. Iterate. That's how every AI entrepreneur began. You can too. If you learned something today, drop a like right now. It really helps the channel. And if you want more step-by-step guides like this, hit that subscribe button. Click the bell icon. so you never miss what's coming next. Because the next video might just be the one that changes everything. Seriously, don't miss it. Tomorrow's upload is a full walkthrough, showing exactly how to automate your first client workflow. It's a game changer. So make sure you're subscribed and turn on those notifications. Before we wrap up, one last thing. Don't compare yourself to anyone else. Your AI journey is your own. Focus on progress, not perfection. Because progress prints money. AI just multiplies it. So get out there and build. Rewatch this if you need to. Take notes. Apply fast. And thank yourself a month from now. You'll look back and say, wow, that's where it started. I'm rooting for you. You've got this. Remember, AI is the tool. You're the advantage. Make it count. If you're ready for more, check the description for free resources, templates, tools, and a starter blueprint. All waiting for you. Thanks for watching. I'm glad you're here early. Because this is the beginning of something big. Like this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell. Stay curious. Stay creative. And I'll see you in the next one, where we build even bigger.